Yo, what's up guys, it is Clue, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I top mounted my GoPro Hero 8 Black on top of my paintball mask. Let's get right into that. Alright, so this is a layout of all the things I'll need. I'm gonna need a Sharpie because I cannot move the visor. I have a mount. This will be linked in the description. Pretty sure it's a set. I have a nut and bolt. A waterproof case just in case it gets shot, and then I took this foam padding piece out of my mask. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, we have to map out what kind of hole I need. Oh yeah, you're also gonna need one of these bad boys. I mean, a handsaw, a knife, I mean anything that can cut through plastic really. But yep, need one of those as well. But I need to map out where I need these holes, so that's why I got the Sharpie. Just gonna boom like that, and yeah, we'll be right there when this is done. Alright, so since I have the layout of the mask now, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. I mean, I'm scared to cut it, but it has to be done. It has to be done, yeah. See if I have tissue right here. Clean it off a little bit. Alright. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna fucking cut it. Ah! It's like $40. Fuck it, dude. I got it. Okay, I'm doing good on the line so far. Okay. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just speed this up for you. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay here for, but it's cut. It's fucking cut, yeah. So I'm not trying to cut it off the line. I'm just trying to get just enough. Okay, so I cut it out. All right. Since my GoPro died, I had it charging for a bit, right? So, oh my God, why does my hair look like that? So I had a lot of time to figure out how I was actually gonna mount it. The first way that I wanted to mount it wasn't gonna work because the bolt was only on one side, right? So it would tilt one side. So that was a bust, right? So I basically had this. I had this and then bolted in like that. So it would go in like that. I put the nut and bolt through there. Bolt it down through these fins, right? It'd stay right here. But the pressure from the screw, right, on one side tilted it upwards like this. Look, I'll show you guys. So it went up like that. I tightened it. So what I did was just take one of these pieces off, right? Boom, just like that. And then instead of having it sideways, I tried it like this, and the screw, it didn't catch onto the fins. So then I put it the other way around, centered it, and it worked like that. So that's how it's gonna be. I'll show you the end, of course, you know. But yep. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on now. there you are. That's gonna be the mask mount for my paintball mask. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you out in any way. If you need it mounted to your the top or the side, because I also did the side for the first video. This is just an adhesive you could get from GoPro. But yeah, that's how you top mount a GoPro, a DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys. I just want to say a quick little I used washers as well. Let me see if I can show you right here. See that piece right there before the bolt, or before the nut right there. I put one right there and on top as well, because I ran into a problem that when I tried to tighten it even more, it would go through the fins because the nut is so small. So yeah, that's just needed to put that in there. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.